Hey folks, good morning. Stan Dale, president of Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. Hey, a lot on the agenda this week. Take a look at the RSVP list down below. A lot of things going on. In this e-blast this Friday, we're starting a three-part series written by Chris Schroeder. Chris and his wife, Margaret, good friends of ours, live up in Port St. Joe, Florida. Chris is doing a 3.0 rebuild. I think you'll be interested in the article and watching the photographs as we lay this out over the next couple of weeks. And then at some point in time, we'll show you the last the pictures of the trophy cars, we'll call it. So support Chris. Take a look at the article. Down below, we have meetings going on that start this Sunday at Jacksonville. On Monday, we have an M-Car tour, town tour at the BMW Fort Myers. Check out that. Tuesday, we have the Tampa St. Clearwater meeting going on. And then next Saturday is the second Bavarian Autofest drive. That is up in North Tampa, about 75, 80 miles out in the country, BMWs only. Check that out if you'd like to be a part of that. Go see that. Take a look at our classifieds. We've moved to this page now on Fridays. So take a look and whatever you do, stay safe. Happy motoring. See you guys.